Hallo, liebe Leute, jetzt geht's wieder weiter. Das wäre tatsächlich meine letzte... vorletzte. Oh shit. Es ist erst die vorletzte vorproduzierte Folge. In der letzten Folge sind wir vielleicht ein bisschen sentimental geworden. Trevor hat schweren Herzens Abschied genommen von der Frau von Martin Madrazo. Und genau deswegen spielen wir jetzt gleich mal mit ihm weiter, damit er sich nicht so allein fühlt, wie er es sonst so oft tut. Circling the sand. Oh, packst du zusammen oder was?
That's a funny way to greet your cousin. You ain't my G-damn cousin, Trevor. I thought we was family. Please, just go and ruin somebody else's home furnishings.
Who the F is that, Floyd?
No one, my sweet. Hey, by any chance, did you catch crabs at that conference?
Weil die da kennen die Freundin singen jetzt.
I heard that those conferences are regular little fuckfest, huh? Guy, come in.
I'd like you to leave right now.
Oh, yeah, some serious corporate gangbanging going on, right? Yeah, with every executive and director of communications from here to Bangalore taking it left, right, and center in the name of team training, right? I mean, now that's what Floyd told me yesterday as he was staring at my penis.
I want you to leave now.
Look, this is all I've got, all right? I had a tough upbringing. My daddy was not nice to me.
Oh mein.
Okay? Now look, Deborah, I love you and I love you too, Floyd. Why can't we all just be together? Huh? You can have Mondays through Thursdays. You can have the weekends, all right? I know that's not normal, but in this crazy, crazy world, is normal so good? Huh? Look, Deborah, Floyd, will you marry me?
Alter.
And you go too, Floyd. I told you. I've got a career. I don't need this crap.
Yes!
There. You made me swear. You're crap, Floyd. Crap. You're not a man at all. Bob's right about you.
Oh, who's Bob?
Oh, who's
I want
Bob?
both of you to go.
Jetzt geht's los.
Friend.
Whoa! Hey! My name is Trevor, sweetheart.
I could give a fuck what your fucking name is.
Alter, chill mal.
Not.
Oh,
Bob taught me.
wer ist Bob, Alter?
Are not very fucking nice.
Wow.
Oh, hey there, Trevor.
Fuck, wait.
Hey there, Wade.
Did you meet Deborah?
Interesting lady.
I should probably go say hi.
I wouldn't.
Why not?
Let's go get in the car. All right? Let's go have the time of our lives. Oh, I know
Whoa.
exactly where to take you.
Das ist ziemlich schnell intens one. Ich wollte die ganze Zeit einen Joke bringen, von wegen Wade hat doch sowas gesagt wie And she ain't even that fine. Oder sowas. Und ich habe das so lustig gefunden und ich habe die ganze Zeit versucht, den irgendwann jetzt rauszuhauen. Und dann ist es so eskaliert.
I know she seems kind of uptight, but she can have fun.
No, I don't think she can, Wade.
Just Floyd can?
Floyd's gonna meet us there.
Boys trip.
Exactly.
Oh, Trevor, what have you got all over yourself? You're all red. You got syrup?
Wade, bist du blöd? Ist das scheiße
Syrup.
ernst?
Accidents.
Digga.
We've all been there.
We sure have, but it don't taste like syrup.
Don't taste me, all right? Just no licking.
Okay.
Hey, you remember when we
Leck nicht
met?
an mir.
Sure. Last year, I was on the way to the gathering with Daisy Bell and Kush Tronic
And you stopped in Sandy Shores to get lit, and you met a dealer, and he looked after you when your friends had abandoned you.
That was weird, weren't it? The last time I saw them, it was with you, driving out to the quarry, and then they just disappeared.
Poof, right? I mean, they were gone. Some friends, right? And now Cousin Deborah don't want you around? I mean, there's a pattern here.
The Congo did get messy.
The pattern is you can't rely on anyone. Anyone except me. Here we are. What do you think?
Oh, ich glaube, du konntest dich auch ziemlich früh an der Nähe verlassen, aber nee, doch Trevor.
Floyd is gonna meet us at strip club?
Oh yeah.
That's unlike him. He's a real homebody. He loves that apartment.
Interestingly, you and me, we got a new home.
Where?
Warte mal.
Here.
Warte, möchtest du da gerade niederlassen?
Here. Now I know it's unconventional, but that's the way we roll, homie. Hey, you two, I want you to give this boy a good time for a long time. Hey, gorgeous. Tell me where the manager is for this fine establishment.
Through there and take 2 doors to the right.
There.
To the right.
Die Mucke ist gerade echt stark. Wait, kauft sie Trevor jetzt gerade die Butze da?
Amigo! Prepare to meet your new partner.
Weil vorher ist draußen gestanden, ich kann jetzt da meine Autos speichern. Wait, ist das geil.
Hey, Trevor just called about the big one, the UD. You know anything?
The big one.
I told him we could hit it. You down?
Of course I'm down. Look, I'll get my research together and meet you at Trevor's. He's taking over the Vanilla Unicorn Gentlemen's Club.
All right.
Tatsächlich. Haha. Ist das geil, Mann. Ein weiteres Business für Trevor. Irgendwas ist da gerade explodiert. Das ist komisch. Weil normalerweise nur was im Multiplayer explodiert, so random. Also ich finde das echt nice, dass Trevor jetzt diesen Vanilla Unicorn Club übernimmt. Ich glaube, wir können da gleich beim Management hinten einige. Ah, doch nicht.
My boy Mike. Good to see you.
What the fuck? Ist jetzt aber nicht bloß, weil Trevor jetzt die Putze kennt, oder? Ja, Mann, Applaus.
Sometimes I miss your sunlight.
LOL. Du Huckter. Kurz Moment bitte.
Somebody get me a sandwich.
Scheiße. Oh, ich darf doch da rein, oder? Klar, Alter. Ist es nice. Ja, klar, da muss man öfters herkommen, oder? Hey, T.
Before you ask, the fridge is broken.
That's all right. I've had enough of your hospitality.
Ausspähen des
I have
großen
changed my
Dings.
ways, all right?
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
I'm done with that crazy shit, all right? I want to square things away with Merryweather, make sure the agency ain't coming back after us, and then do one last big score. And then you get to go back with your family. Me, I'm just gonna live here. I'm gonna run this good business showing people a good time. Bust Brad out of prison, and then, you know, happy.
Happy.
So how'd you come by this place anyway?
I've had it for ages.
So you must know Leon, the old manager.
Leon, I didn't, no.
Yeah, whatever, man. So what's going on here?
What's going on is the big one.
The big
A
one.
long time ago in a faraway place, there were 3 guys. Michael, Trevor, and Lester.
And Brad.
Yeah.
Fucking Brad immer.
Sometimes as well. I mean, there were other guys though too. So anyway, we robbed and lied and we hurt people. Pretty much lived a low-life kind of existence, but always dreaming of one thing and one thing only.
The big one.
The big one.
The big one.
What is the big
The Union Depository.
Around 200 million in gold bricks, all taken from kindly Uncle Sam, who will spend the rest of our lives being hunted by government officials if we live through the attempt. But it'll be our masterpiece. So, gentlemen, let's do our civic duty and get out there and find some gainful employment. This way.
Let's go.
Big one.
Ah, okay, ja, Kühlschrank ist kaputt. Genauso habe ich mir übrigens gedacht, dass jetzt da gleich Trevor die Putze übernehmen wird.
Hey, we taking the temperature?
Yeah, you know, getting a feel for it. Security, exit routes, general vibe.
All right.
Union Depository. The big one. Geil, Mann. Wir fangen nur the big one zu knacken.
Man, security looks light. We send in a couple of sprung niggas. Clap, clap.
What are you talking about, Frank?
Oh, I see it. Man.
Ich frage mich gerade, warum du die Zeit läuft.
It's a standard bank. It's getting underground that's hard. Ain't that where the metal's kept?
Right. Now we gotta stop outside the Arcadia Center down on Alta Street. We can get a view of the back from there.
Hey, man, you might not notice it, but I picked up a few things rolling with you. I mean, there's times I think I gotta be the senior partner in the group. From the way you and Trevor behave.
Ah, sorry. There's history there.
Yeah, it still ain't fully been explained to me, though.
No? Well, remind me to go over with you again sometime. But not now.
Ja, ja, die History, die war halt schon mal gut.
Look, dawg, light again, man.
Yeah, fucking eerie, ain't it?
Man, you think they put more than one motherfucker on our national fucking reserves?
Yeah, huh?
Ja, ohne ist wenig.
Trevor, how are you doing?
Well, like clockwork, Mikey. Like clockwork.
Und wir fetzen jetzt zum Flughafen.
Something I could help you with?
I ain't even talked to Mike
Flugplatz.
about it yet, but he's gonna be on board. He's obligated.
What is it?
Ain't it obvious? Bustin' Brad out of the clink.
Why don't you talk to Michael about it?
Oh, fine. Shit. I was gonna pay you, man, when there ain't an obvious profit in something. You're a hard guy to motivate. Do they call it a wasting disease because you waste people's time? Move it!
What the fuck?
Mike's observations fit with your scheme.
Be careful not to get too close to the prison. We'll trip an alarm.
Ja, ist schon klar.
Boy, don't want him jumpy for the breakout.
Ah, yeah. So far, yeah. The security's internal rather than external. It's quiet enough that any disturbance is going to get picked up immediately. What those two don't know is there's a special team of cops on standby 24/7, waiting on a signal from the UD. Won't go out on any other call.
And it's never been hit. Man, those guys must get bored.
They may be cops, but they work for the government. There's nothing government workers love more than to accept tax dollars for doing nothing. Oh yeah, that and spying on innocent people.
Getting paid to do nothing and spying on innocent people. Now, who does that remind me of?
Anyway, if we want to hit the vault in a way that people will notice, the key will be to divert the security team.
Divert it? You said they hold out for calls from the UD and that's it.
They do, so we'd have to hit it twice. Once to distract them, and once to get it done.
You're gonna find someone willing to get caught hitting a super bank just as a distraction?
I was thinking Michael. It might appeal to his ego.
Oh, what am I saying? We got the perfect guy for it. Come in, Michael! We have a visual on the convoy! Keep with them, T. Do whatever Les needs you to do.
Oh, jetzt gerade aber gleich die Bugs geben.
And finding an ambush point. Stay with them.
What kind of ambush spot are we looking for? I tend to wait in the John, catch them with their drawers down, but I guess that won't work here.
No, it won't. We're looking for somewhere with cover for us and no escape routes for them.
Ah, the same principle as a men's room.
Yeah, I guess.
What about here for the job?
Where?
Under one of the bridges. It's en route and we'll have plenty of cover.
It's too open. There's a number of get-outs, and we'd be compromised if they were driven off the road into the river.
We could recover the cars. With the right equipment, we'd haul them up the side.
A central station is monitoring the car's position. If the GPS tracker reads it's down there in the channel, we'll have red flags all over the place.
Fine. What you thinking?
I'm thinking I don't like being in close proximity to you for extended periods of time. And the same for short periods of time.
Oh, there's ways to make minutes go by.
Oh, die fahren unten durch.
I've lost sight of them. Think they might be in the tunnel.
Don't worry, it's a straight road. They'll come out the other side.
I'll go around. Meet them at the other end.
I was hoping they'd come through here. This tunnel would work for a switch. They go in, you come out.
Okay.
Okay, they'll be back out in the open now. It'll have to be a quick turnaround, but you can hijack the trucks in there.
Stimmt.
I'm picking up the cars. Right on time. It looks like we're gonna need some IDs to get in the building this way. I
IDs I can handle.
Mhm.
In 86 in sight. Stand by. Hey, I was expecting you 30 seconds ago. Tell that to the traffic. All right.
Okay, den jemand's ganz schön genau. Aber, beziehungsweise die Song zumindest, ja, jetzt vor einer halben Minute da sein müssen. Und der sagt, Traffic.
If I remember from planning the jewel store job, they're excavating the new LS Metro tunnel around here. They take us around the building and find the construction site.
Roger that. Looking for a big asshole.
In den Baustelleneingang. Da unten, oder? Ja, ja.
There's your big ass hole. While I record what we need. I need to be above, shooting down into it. Just hold the chopper here. You can do that, right?
Ja, ja.
That should hold some weight. Looks good. Looks good.
Geht mir aber wieder weg, weil es ist ein bisschen auffällig.
I think I've got everything I need to make some plans.
Ah ja. Und ab zum Flugplatz.
Providing either of these ways into the bank works, the armored cars are the big hole in the ground. How are we gonna get the metal out? That's the 20% of $200 million question.
If the armored cars are a viable option, we'll bring out the gold in them. Simple. You won't even have to fire a shot if everything goes to plan.
When does everything go to plan?
If it's ever going to, this is the time.
Sounds hopeful to me. You got a backup plan?
We can modify this chopper to carry the weight, but we need another one to match.
Easy enough to get.
If we're using it for the job, would you consider taking your name off the side?
You think I'm taking down the Union Depository in anything other than a chopper with my name on it? Well, then you don't know me, bro.
I thought you'd say that.
Okay, also es geht um 200 Millionen in Goldbarren. Boah, ich bin ganz schön nach unten gerutscht. Sorry. Das große Ding, 200 Millionen, aber durch 4, oder? Weil jeder kriegt seinen Cut.
We got two ideas. It's gonna take a while to get them together or work them up, but I think there's a way. It's not impossible.
All right. Well, start thinking about the breakout, too. Bradley Snyder. He's getting bored.
Talk to Michael, okay? Goodbye.
Ach so, warte, wir holen Brad raus? Ach so, das hatte vor 20% gesagt, weil er dann durch 5 geteilt wird. Weil wir Brad noch mit ins Boot holen. Oh. Ich finde es auch interessant, weil letzter Rock Model, es dauert ein bisschen, bis das Ganze da bewerkstelligt wird. Aber ich habe mich schon gewundert, weil das große Ding ist meines Wissens noch die letzte Hauptmission. Und das heißt, es dauert noch. Random Nummer, wir werden angegriffen.
Hello. Who is this?
It's me. I shouldn't have called.
Patricia. Mrs. Madrazo.
Oh na.
Hey.
Are you behaving, Trevor?
Yeah. Patricia. I really miss you. The time together. Very important.
I have to go.
Sogar so ein Kontaktfoto zu zweit. Oh, shit. Hast du das Ico, die irgendwann mal callen oder so? Irgendeine Fremde- und Freaks-Mission erwartet uns jetzt da. Was kann das wohl sein? Opa.
Quick chat, no pressure.
Nur kurz reden.
Hey.
Hey. Komm her.
What do you think? Nice house, isn't it?
Willst du was verticken oder was?
You like it? I'm selling it. You want to buy it? I'm downsizing.
No.
Extra Provision.
I used to sell houses like this.
Trevor jobbt es jetzt einfach so wie die
I sold dreams. I made lives meaningful.
den Stripclub.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, but you like beautiful things, though, don't you?
Sure.
Well, I just happen to know the most beautiful woman. You want a bouncy.
The fuck?
Josh Bernstein. Yeah. I'm the Josh Bernstein.
Yeah, I never heard of you.
Oh, well, I used to be a big deal once in real estate, and so I had my license taken away. My meal ticket.
Where's the chick?
I'll get to that. It's not really money that I'm after here. It's a little something more awkward than that. Now, Lenny Avery. He was my best friend, and now he has taken all of my clients. All of
So ein Hund.
Do you think that you could take out all of his for sale signs? That was easy. She's
Schon eigentlich, gell?
I love you.
Wow, was war das jetzt mit dem Chick?
Love you. I love you. Lenny Avery.
I love you. So ein Idiot. Kurz Moment, ich brauche bitte das Auto. Verdammt. Kurz Moment, ich brauche bitte das Auto. Bitte zerstöre alle Verkaufsstelle von Lenny Avery, die du im nördlichen Stadtgebiet findest. Ah, er hat eine Website. Aua. Das macht es natürlich wesentlich leichter. Oh, das sind einige. Anfahrt. Danke. Dann werde ich eigentlich das jetzt mal wieder richtig schön zusammencutten. Kann der Zeit dauern. Das ist das erste. Ja. Zack. 1 von 15 Schildern zerstört. Geil, Mann. Zack. Okay, das bockt sich heute schon, gell? Ich mag so eine... Ja, so eine Collectible-Sachen, keine Ahnung was. Wir haben ja alle Sachen mittlerweile im Online-Modus gesucht und gefunden, der Quirren und ich zusammen. Das hat sich jetzt schon mal bockt. Da haben wir es dann so Rallye-artig gemacht. Zack, meistens ist der Quirren gefahren und ich war halt dann derjenige, der die ganzen Locations außer markiert hat. Alle 15 Sales-Schilder sind zerstört. Avery hat bloß noch so wenige Schilder, dass man glauben könnte, er wäre raus aus dem Maklergeschäft. Kommt zu mir ins Billingsgate Motel in East LS. Das wird es dann wahrscheinlich im nächsten Part geben. Den findest du in der Endcard, sobald er online ist. Bewertung nicht vergessen. Bis zum nächsten Mal.